bought and sold. These wild animals have now passed from government hands into private ownership. And in the coming days and weeks, many more trucks like these will transport animals to their new owners. Following our captured Wildebeest and Impala, I have come from the auction to a private property in Zululand. With me once again are capture manager Craig Lord and his team. All of our hard work comes together here. These trucks will be backed up and positioned near the ramps that were built earlier this morning so the animals can get off easily. As soon as the doors are opened, the Wildebeest will start running around wildly. If we do not level the ground properly beneath the ramp, some of these Wildebeest could break their legs. Everything here is prepared very carefully for the animals, and they are looked after at every step. And all of this is being done for the welfare of the animals. Now it is time to open the first container. So far, it has been a long journey, for them and for us. But seeing them running free in the wild, we can say that all our hard work has paid off. Have they all come out? Absolutely. They are all healthy and unharmed. No one got injured. One container is empty. Now it is time for the second one. This one contains Impala.